Now let's look at another way to find deals, and that's misspelled listings. Many people believe that the misspelled listings hack is dead, but it's not true. You can still use this hack. When you search for misspelled items, you have a lot less competition as a buyer because not everyone searches by misspellings. And this gives you an edge, especially when you use Auction Sniper. So a good tool to use is located at fatfingers.com. right here. What you do is you type in the keyword that you want to search for here, and then you click Find. And what it's going to do is it's going to go into eBay and search for misspellings on those keywords. So in this case, it found a misspelling for the word workout. Notice it's missing the R. And over here, it found a misspelling for insanity, which is the listing that we just looked at, right? We saw that it was insatiety, missing the N. But it also found this one that has the misspelling for workout. Now, in this one, it's not a big deal because workout is not the main keyword that people are searching. The main keyword people are searching is insanity and maybe Sean T, right? So these people are okay because at least they got their main keyword correctly spelled. But this one, the keyword is not correctly spelled, and this one could be a really good deal. Let me show you another entry into Fat Fingers. If you type in the word Gucci and click Find, notice all these misspellings. Now see, here's the thing. It's not just misspellings that happen on eBay where you can find amazing deals. It's typos as well. Because if you look at the word Gucci and you look at your keyboard, you see that to the right of the letter G is the letter H. So people may have mistakenly typed in Gucci with an H, by just simply missing the key, and they typed it in, and that's how their listing shows. It doesn't show Gucci, it shows Hoochie with an H, and nobody's looking for that. And since nobody's looking for that, the number of searchers searching this term is tiny, and therefore if you search this term, you're bound to find that item. Same thing with the letter F. The letter F is on the left side of the G, so a lot of people apparently mistyped the word Gucci with the letter F instead of the letter G. By the way, this can happen with the letters inside the word as well, like the letter I. If you notice on your keyboard, the letter U that's supposed to be here is flanked on the right side by the letter I. So they typed in G-I-C-C-I. And same over here where somebody typed in G-U-C-K-I. I don't know how they got to the K. As I'm looking at the keyboard, I don't see the K near the letter C, but maybe they think that that's how it's spelled. So this might be just a regular typo. So what Fat Fingers will allow you to do is not just find the misspelled titles, but also the typos and the mistyped titles. And that opens up a whole nother world of items that are sitting there invisible to most eBay buyers, but they're now visible to you because you know this hack.